sabihin nun? Pagka natutunan niyo yung step, doon sa ginagawa niyong business sa Usana, huwag kayong masyadong magtaas ng ere. Sabihin niyo kagad, kaya ko na. Kailangan humingi pa rin tayo ng tulong sa iba. Tama? Ha? Kasi nga, we are a team. Do you know what team means?
Yes.
What's team? Ha? Ano spelling ng team? T-E-A-M. Do you know what that means? Together, what?
Together,
Everyone can achieve more. Together, everyone achieves more. Let's do that again. Together, everyone achieves more. That's a team, right? Isang practice pa nga. 5, 6, 7, and... Nagbibilang talaga.
Very good. 1, 2.
Hindi sabay-sabay.